He was open. Drew Brees missed it. One of the few bad throws by Drew Brees in this half. And to make that reception right there, they're immediately in field goal range. Again, Drew Brees with plenty of time because of the three-man rush. And we've just seen it throughout this second quarter that with the three-man rush, they're not getting pressure on Drew Brees, and it's very difficult then. I don't care how good your secondary is to try to hold up in coverage. So here's again, they're going with a three-man rush.